Hi all, welcome to Fahmina's creation. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this star stitch ear protector for face mask. So let's start then. For this project, I'm going to be needing a DK yarn and I'm using Aldi brand yarn, so crafty in steel gray color, as you can see. And then I'm going to need a scissor, a 5mm crochet hook, and some thread and needle. And I'm also going to be needing 2 of these large size buttons. So let's get started then. First we'll start with a slip knot. So wrap the yarn around your left hand index finger twice and then put the back loop to the front and repeat it one more time, and then just pull the back loop out of your index finger and keep pulling it until it's tightened. And then just adjust it and put the crochet hook through. So that's your slip knot done. Now for this star stitch, creating this star stitch effect, as you can see on the screen now, it looks like a star. You need multiple of 2's plus 1. So for this project, I am going to chain 22 and then 1. So that means 23. So let's start then. We are going to start doing 23 chains. So wrap the yarn around your crochet hook, pull through. That's your first chain. Repeat these steps for 23 times in total. That's my 23 chains down. So now I'm going to start row 1. For row 1, start with 2 chain spaces. So this was the 23rd chain space. Now start doing 2 more chain spaces, which will be count as your first single crochet. Okay, and then from the 4th chain space from your crochet hook, start doing single crochets, and this row 1 you are only going to crochet single crochet till the end of this row. 1 single crochet in each chain space. So just go ahead and keep doing your single crochet until you reach here. So I'm done with my single crochet and I'm done with row 1. Now I'm going to turn my work around to start row 2. In row 2, I'm going to start with 2 chain spaces again. So that's my 2 chain spaces done. Now I'm going to go to that 2nd chain space from my crochet hook, put my crochet hook through and pull up a loop. And you'll do it from only one side of your back loop of the chain space. Okay, so now I've got this front loop here. Now put your crochet hook through that front loop, but don't go from the middle. If you go from the middle, then this loop will come off. So go from the outside like this and put your crochet hook through, and now this is the front loop, and wrap the yarn around your crochet hook and pull up another loop through the front loop. Okay, now go to the first chain space here and pull up another loop. So I've got 4 loops in a crochet hook. Go to the next chain space and pull up another loop. We got 5 loops in our crochet hook. Go to the next chain space again and pull up another loop. So now I've got 6 loops in our crochet hook. That's all the loops we need to have in our loop to finish the stitch. So wrap the yarn around your crochet hook and pull through all 6 loops. That's your half of the star stitch done. Now chain 1. Now you're going to call this chain 1 space as the middle point or the eye of your star stitch, and then these are, we are going to call them legs, and we are going to be needing this in a moment where I'm giving them separate names. You're going to find out soon. And we are going to call this very last chain space where we have taken the loop, 6th loop out of. So this is our base. Okay, so now we've done half of our first star stitch. Now let's go to that middle or eye of your star and put your crochet hook through, and we are starting to create our second star now. Okay, so you put the crochet hook through that eye, wrap the yarn around and pull up a loop, 2 loops in your crochet hook. Now go to the last leg, corner leg of your star stitch. Okay, the previous star, wrap the yarn around and pull up another loop. You've got 3 loops in your crochet hook. Now this was the base, the last chain where you pull the 6th loop of first star. So go there, put your crochet hook through and pull up another loop. You've got 4 loops in your crochet hook. Now move to the next chain space and pull up another loop. Go to the next chain space again and pull up another loop. You've got 6 loops in your crochet hook. Now wrap the yarn around and pull through all 6 loops and chain 1. That's your second star. Right, so now you just have to repeat these steps throughout this row. I'm going to show you a couple more times, and then you will be able to do it on your own. So first, put your crochet hook through the eye of your star and pull up a loop. Now go to the last leg, corner leg of your star and pull up another loop. Now go to the last chain space that you used for your previous stitch or the base and pull up another loop. You've got 4 loops in your crochet hook. Go to the next chain space and pull up another loop. 5th loops in your crochet hook. Go to the next chain space, pull up another loop. Because 6 loops in your crochet hook, wrap the yarn around and pull through all 6 loops and chain 1 to finish your star. So just repeat it. Put your crochet hook through the eye of your star, pull up a loop. Put your crochet hook through the corner leg of your star and pull up another loop. Go to the base and pull up another loop. Go to the next chain space and pull up another loop. Go to the next chain space and pull up another loop. You've got 6 loops in your crochet hook, wrap the yarn around and pull through all 6 loops and then chain 1. So just repeat this process throughout. So just done the last stitch, last star stitch of this row. I can see there's still 1 chain left, and this is so that we can crochet a half double crochet to give it a nice shape. Okay, so to create half double crochet, wrap the yarn around your crochet hook once, go to the last chain space and pull up a loop, wrap the yarn around and pull through all 3 loops. That's the end of row 1. So we have only done half of our star Now in the next row we are going to do the other half. So now turn out your work around to start row 3 and start your row with 2 chain spaces. So wrap the yarn around, pull through. 2 chain spaces done. Now move to the eye of your star. Move to the eye, next eye. Can you see it here? A tiny little dot. Yes? So we are calling it the eye of your star. So go there and crochet 2 single crochet. That's my first single crochet and that's my second single crochet. Now move to the next star, next eye of your star. Okay, so this is the next eye. Okay, you can't really miss it. You can see it's in the middle of all these stars, half stars that you have done in your previous row. It's in there. So go there, go to the next eye of your star and crochet 2 single crochet. So creating these 2 single crochet is making the star look complete, giving it a complete look, and this is all you have to do in this row. Just find the eye of your next star and just crochet 2 single crochet there. We have already done the hard row. This row is easy. Just 2 single crochet in each eye of your star stitch. Just go ahead and repeat these steps, and I will meet you at the end of this row. Now we have just crocheted 2 single crochet in the last corner star, eye of the corner star. Now we are just going to move to the very last chain space where we have done in our previous row, where we have done a half double crochet, and we are going to do the same. We are going to do another half double crochet here. So wrap the yarn around your crochet hook and pull up a loop, wrap the yarn around and pull through all 3 loops. That's it, your yarn protector is ready. Just do a chain 1 space to tighten, secure your project. I'm just going to quickly weave in my loose end. This is how it looks like. Can you see the stars? Now what we have to do to finish our project is that we are going to put these 2 buttons in there, and we are going to use the thread and needle to do that. And that's it, your star stitch yarn protector is ready to be used with your mask. And this is how quick and easy it is to make this at home. So I hope you all enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please like, share and subscribe me for more tutorials like this. Till then, take care. Bye.